Hello friends, welcome to day 3rd of 30-day English speaking challenge series. In today's video, I am going to talk about my dreams and goals. What I want to achieve in my life, I will talk about my marriage, and then I will also talk about the backup planning. If I didn't succeed in that particular field where I want to go, then what are my backup plans? So if you really have some dreams and goals and backup plans, then this video is for you. We both will practice together. For the new viewers, I want to let you know in this series, I just also give you opportunity to speak when I finish the speaking. You don't need any English speaking partner, okay? So don't wait for any partner. If you really want to spend your life in a luxurious way in future, then just follow me for the next 30 days so that your English will be completely improved. Okay, my friends? Now let me talk about my dreams. First thing, I want to become a famous YouTuber because I want to be settled in a foreign country. Foreign country you may consider USA, okay? But currently I do not have enough money, so how can I go there? The only way to fulfill your dreams according to me is social media. If you want to do any government job, then I think Hmm, it may take a little long time. Till then, your age will be finished. So we should take a risk, high rewarding. Okay. Now I want to tell you, if I get succeed in YouTube journey, then definitely I'll earn a lot. After that, I will be settled in foreign country. Okay, the USA, as I said, America. I will take my parents over there. The reason why I want to be settled in foreign country, because I want to live my life with complete freedom. Okay, I want to spend my life without any boundaries, without caring about any rules and regulations. It doesn't mean that I'm not telling you, a freedom means to make a lot of girlfriends, going to beer bar. Not like that. Freedom means the way you want, just give a shape to your life. Okay, so this is how I understand. Now, uh, talking about my marriage, if I do not want to get married, but my parents, they always say to me, you will have to get married. How will you survive when you will get you know older, means when you will be of 50, 60. So I personally believe life is all about present moment. I do not think too much about the future, but yeah, they are not wrong. So I can get married, but if I will get a girl like me, not exactly like me, because I know this is impossible, but still the vibe, the tuning, wavelength should be matching to me. Now, other thing is, I have backup plan also. Okay, if I do not succeed in YouTube, if I do not have many followers, or I, lag behind because of some reasons, then after that I can join travel and tourism industry. Means I can be a guider. I will guide foreigners. After that, I will get married to one Russian girl or Turkish girl, anyone, no problem. Okay, so I will guide, and then I can get married to them, not to them, to only one girl, and then I can be easily settled with them. I can fulfill my dream in this way. But this is a very weird way. This is like you do not have courage. Okay, so this is my optional. Don't uh, take it negatively. Okay, this is my optional option. If I do not get succeed in YouTube industry, then after that I'll go there. Okay, no problem at all. To fulfill my dreams, I can do anything. No problem. One life, one choice. Just live your life as your own. Okay, make your own rules. because most of my friends, they got married to foreign countries girls, foreigners, and now they are well settled. So I also get inspirations from them, that how is life going. They say, yeah, everything is going great. So I really enjoy my life. They always call me that you can also join travel and tourism industry, your English is good and everything. So I said, okay, I can go, but firstly let me dive into YouTube. If I get success here, then everything will be easy for me. So okay friends, now it's your turn. Okay, you can talk about 3 4 things. First thing, talk about your personal goal. Okay, what you want to achieve in order to make a lot of money. After that, you can talk about your favorite country where you want to be settled or where you want to go for traveling. Okay, the next thing, you can talk about your marriage. How is your perspective on it? The last, in the end, you can talk about your backup plan, that if you do not get successful in that particular goal, then what are your backup plans? So in backup plans, you can say anything you want. Okay, so thank you so much. Wait for the next day.